Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, we are going to learn about the switch statement in JavaScript, which is a great way to clean up the messy if-else statements, right? So if you ever had too many conditions, this video will help you a much better alternative, right? So let's understand that what is switch statement first. So what is switch statement? A switch statement allows you to compare one value against many possible cases, right? So it means that in switch statement we use a lot of cases and we check the particular case with the condition, right? So it is like a menu of condition. If one case matches, it runs the code for that case. Means there are a lot of cases, and if any of the case get matched with the condition that we are giving, then the code which is assigned with that particular case runs. This is a simple way of using switch statement, right? So if I talk about the real life analogy, uh, have you ever seen a vending machine? In vending machine, what happens that when we enter a number, we get some specific items. Means that that particular item which we are getting is actually connected or assigned with a number, and when we go with that particular number we get that item. And that's exactly how your switch works. It checks the input and gives the correct result. Got it? Now if I explain you the basic syntax of using switch expression, this is how your switch expression looks. You first write the switch here, then you put a bracket, and inside of this you give a expression. What is this expression? Well, this is the value which is going to be checked. Means the value which you want to give is actually comes inside this expression, right? Which will get checked inside all these cases, right? Then you put this curly bracket, inside of this you write your case, right? And next to the case you write the value. What is this value, right? So this value is actually the number of condition that we want to give, right? If I want to give, like if I'm checking for a number, I given the expression as uh, let's say the number equals to 3, right? So I'm having the values as 1 2 3 and all, and if any case has a value named 3 and the number and the expression is also 3, in that particular case the code block will run. So this is the code block which is assigned with this particular case. And what is this case? This value 1. And after that we had written the break here. Why break? Well, when your condition will get satisfied, completed, and then this code block will run. After that, this break statement will do what? It will take your code outside. Means it will quit this switch statement and comes out of it, right? So this is how you write all your cases. You write the case, you write the value. Again, inside this code block, break. Then again, the cases that you want to put, you can put the number, infinite number of cases that you want, right? That's depend on you. After that, we had put the default here. What is default? Well, default runs if no cases matches. In case all the like whatever the cases you have given here, maybe none of the case match with the expression. Then what happened? In that particular case, this default runs. Whatever the code you have written inside this default will run, and your switch statement will get exit. Fine. I hope you understood the concept about switch expression. Now let's take some good examples and understand that how it works. Let's take let day equals to 3, and the other variable that we'll take is let day name, like this, right? So we are having a day and the day name, two different variable. The day is having a value name like value of 3, and day name is not having any value. We are going to assign it inside the switch statement. So let's use the switch. For that, what we will write switch like this. Then we put a bracket here. Inside the bracket we will give our expression. What is this expression this time? It is this day, so we will write day here, right? Then we put a curly bracket here. Inside of this we will write the case. Now what case we want to give? Let's say 1. After that, put a colon here, right? And then below of this we will write what? Let's day name. So what we are going to do, we are going to assign the string to this particular day name under this particular case, like this. Fine. And after that, break. Got it? Now let's write the another case. The case as 2, right? If the case is 2, in that case write the day name, assign a value as what? As Tuesday, right? Tuesday. Then write the break here, and after that another case. Now similarly you can create the number of cases that you want, right? The way I am doing this, you can see. Fine. Then the break. Now I think 3 cases are all good. We don't need to create a lot of cases. You can create it at your own. Fine. Now in the end what we write? At the end we write the default, like this. Put a colon here, and after that write the default code, that is day name equals to nothing, like this. Fine. I hope you understood that how we can write this switch statement. This is how it is written. Now after that let's see for what result I'm going to get. Console.log bracket, and I'm going to ask for day name. Fine. Let's check the result. Let's check the result. If I go to console, you can see I'm getting the Wednesday here. So it is working, right? And how it is working? Well, in our code we have first written the day equals to 3, and we have assigned a variable named day name. After that when we have used the switch statement, in this we had given this day. Now this day is having the expression as 3, right? Now we had put all the cases in which we are comparing this 3 with the case value. Now the case is 1 here, so it is not equals to the expression that we have given. And the case is 2, no it is not. After that case is 3, yes it worked. So it the day is value, that is 3, and here the case both are matching, so this particular line of code is running, right? So in this you can see the day name equals to Wednesday, and we got the day name when we had printed that inside of what? Inside of our console, right? You can use the string also. Let's say that this 3 is actually a string, like this. In that particular case you can use the string like this also. You can write anything that you want. Even you can give any name or something, anything you want, right? In that particular case if you go, you can see again I'm getting this Wednesday, right? So it works for both also. And in case if you have given some other value, like 8, let's say 8, in that particular case you can see I'm getting the nothing here, because nothing is for the default. If none of the case has matched, then what will run? It will run this default. Got it? I hope you understood the concept very clearly, and this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video with a fresh new topic. Till then, goodbye.